Good morning, y'all. This is Bitty Boo, aka Dana. And today I'm doing a Go Red, I don't guess you'd call it a challenge. This is hosted by Denise Jordan. It's the Go Red for women's heart health. But as we all know, heart attacks just don't happen to women. So today is the National Wear Red Day, so I've got on my red shirt or jacket. That's a shirt I use as a jacket. For those that may not know, I am a survivor of heart disease. I have survived the Widowmaker twice. I've had a stroke. I've had several heart surgeries. I've got stents. I think I have 5 now. I wear a defibrillator vest. Let's see, what else? They're talking about putting a defibrillator in my heart because it doesn't quite work right, but so far I've not had any more episodes. But the changes I have made, I need to quit smoking badly. Easier said than done. But the changes I've made is mainly my diet. I don't really use a lot of salt. I use that Mrs. Dash. I do get more exercise. Let's see. I cut sugar out of my diet, which I'll insert a picture of me before, which I was a size 22. I am down to a size 12, 14. Don't know that you can really tell. I'll try to do something. But we need to know that heart disease is not just a women's disease. But heart disease kills more people than cancer. So if y'all would, please look into heart awareness. Start eating healthier. Take care of yourself. Because there's only one you. And not really sure what else to say. But I do love you each and every one. And like I said, at the end, I will insert a picture of me before the weight loss. And I'll insert a picture of me now. Or I guess I can do it this way. Hold on. I'll step back. This is me now. And then I will insert a picture of me before. I love y'all. Bye.